Check out this 2010 Mazda 6. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.